This is the outcome of our cleanser, and it worked very magically on the skin. And if you want to know how to make this, kindly watch this video to the end. It's a bit long, okay, but please do watch to the end. All right, so let's just begin. Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. So this is our face after our birthday. Even though I couldn't do anything much, I plan going out tomorrow, which is Saturday here, to catch some fun. I'll be working, but yeah. And let me use this opportunity to say thank you to everyone who took their time to wish me a happy birthday. May God richly bless you. Okay, I don't want to mention names. If I mention names, I'm going to be biased here. So thank you so much to everyone. Thank you to everyone who took their time. I know you guys are so busy, but you took your time to type, and some celebrated me on your social medias. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate you guys. Yeah, I couldn't get the time to even do a vlog on this birthday of mine. Okay, but I thank God for the gift of life, and I thank God for your life as well. Without you guys, who am I? You make me so special. And yeah, I love you guys. Okay, so I'm just going to apply this toner for you guys to see. So if you want to know how I achieved this toner, kindly watch this video to the end, okay, and know how I made this. It's very simple to achieve, okay, and this is work wonderfully on the skin. Okay, so we will just jump into the tutorial very soon, okay. But before I do that, let me talk about my lips here. Okay, so I used to have darker lips here. I used to have dark lips, okay, not dark in dark, but I have it under my lips here. I have the dark under my lips here, okay, and this is what I've been using lately to lighten up my lips, okay, and I can see a great change on my lips here. I'm beginning to have pink lips. And this is what I use, guys. Let me show you. This is what I use. This is the lip balm I'll be using on my lips to get this beautiful lips here. You see, I don't have anything on my lips, so this morning I've not applied. So this is how it's looking, okay. You can see I've been using it here. So yeah, that's just by the way. So if you're interested in making your lips pink, contact me, okay. In the description box I have my number, my Instagram, and everything there, okay. So I'm just making this intro so long, sorry, okay, sorry guys. So I'm just going to take one how do you call it, cotton pad, okay, cosmetic pad, okay. So enough of the blabbing, right? So I'm just going to drop it. So you can see I've already washed off my face, okay. So this is what I'm going to use to clean my face before I apply any other how do you call it, any other, well, I just love the smell. Wow, this is so nice. I just love the smell of this. This smells so nice. Okay, you can smell the lavender oil in it. This is so nice on the skin, guys. So guys, see, you see the dirt that came out from my face. I only wash my face with water, okay. This is really going to clean your face. See the dirt. This is really going to clean your face for you to have a beautiful, brighter skin. You can tell for yourself. This is how my face is looking, so bright. I love it. My face looks so refreshing after this cleansing. Okay, so let's jump into this tutorial now. I know prolong this video, please pardon me. If only you want to know how to make this, stay tuned and watch this video to the end. And please do not forget to like and share with friends and family, okay? And do not skip. Do not skip, okay? Let's get it. So I have here my bowl and my spoon, which is well cleaned and sanitized, and I'm going to put in my aloe vera gel. Okay, so this is the store one. Okay, even though I bought it in an organic shop, yeah, it's all the same to store. All right, so I just put in one full of this teaspoon. Okay, and I'm going to measure my rose water. Okay, so I'm scaling this, I'm measuring this because I do not want to waste my rose water, so I need only 50 grams of this water, sorry. And I'm mixing it. Okay, all right, so I want everything to be mixed very, very well because we do not want to see any chunks of aloe vera in it. Okay, so now I'm going to add in my vitamin E capsules, which is also good on the skin. Okay, so I'm going to add in only 2 capsules of this vitamin E oil. Then I'm going to add my lavender oil. Okay, so this is also good for the skin as well, and going to give the cleanser a very good fragrance. Okay, so now I'm adding my propylene glycol. Okay, so this helps the product soak into the skin. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, everything is being combined nicely, and I'm going to put in this bottle of mine. So this is 50 ml bottle. Okay, so you can see me putting in everything, and so yeah, this is what we got. And yeah, we are going to shake it very well so everything will mix very, 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 very well. Okay, all right, then we apply it on the skin. As you saw from the beginning of this video, this is what I use on my skin, and it took off a lot of dirt from my skin. So this is really good and going to leave the skin very looking very refreshing. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please do well to like and share with friends and family. Catch you in my next one. Bye bye.